Hello everyone, welcome to John Mac Classroom. In this video, I'm going to discuss the example for function and graph. So given we have the situation fx, which is the quadratic, and we have the domain x greater than equals to 0. Determine the f inverse. Hence, if the f rho g is equals to, we have the situation, show that the gx is equals to the exponent to the power of 3x minus 1. So, meaning that we have to find the internal function. So first of all, find the f inverse. So let y equals to fx. Then f inverse of y is equals to x. So kindly substitute the situation. So y is equals to x squared plus 1 over 5. So kindly express the x as a subject. So in here we have 5y minus 1 is equals to x squared. So x is equals to, we have the square root of 5y minus 1. So in here we have positive and negative of square root. But refers to the domain, we have x greater than equals to 0. So that's why we only select the positive square root of 5y minus 1. So finally, the f inverse of x is equals to square root of 5x minus 1. So that is the f inverse. Next, hence, find the f rho g equals to, we have the situation, show that the gx. So in here, what we have to do is to find the gx. So what we have to do is f rho g. So meaning that we have to substitute the function g into the f. So for this case, substitute, we have gx bracket square plus with the 1 over 5. Next, what we have to do is to compare the situation. So we have 1 over 5 bracket exponent to the power of 2 bracket 3x minus 1 plus with the 1 equals to, again, we have 1 over 5 bracket, we have gx bracket square plus with the 1. So kindly simplify the situation. So in here, we notice that we have the situation e to the power of 3x minus 1 multiplied with the 2, which is equals to gx bracket square. So refers to the situation, we can compare the situation. So in here, we notice that the gx is equals to e to the power of 3x minus 1, if we compare the situation. So, we are ready? Shown. So that is the situation for A. So kindly refers to the situation B. Evaluate g rho f for the value of x, which is equals to 2. So kindly substitute the situation g rho f bracket 2 for the value of x. So we have g bracket, the f would be 2 squared plus with the 1 over 5. So based on this part, we have g bracket 1. So kindly substitute the 1 into the function gx. So here we have e to the power of 3 minus 1. So in here we have g rho f for the value of x2, which is equals to e to the power of 2, or expressed in the decimal, correct to 3 decimal. So we have 7.389. So that is the situation for B. So by referring to C, assume that the domain for G, so here we have domain for G is equals to, start from 0 until positive infinity. Determine the G inverse. So first what we have to do is to find the G inverse. Y is equals to Gx. So G inverse of Y is equals to X. So substitute, Y is equals to exponent 3x minus 1. So in the index form, convert to log form. So here we have ln y is equals to 3x minus 1. So express the x as a subject. So here we have 3x is equals to ln y plus with the 1. So x is equals to ln y plus with the 1 over 3. So finally, the g inverse of x is equals to ln x over 3 plus with 1 over 3. So the domain for the g inverse is equals to, kindly refers to the situation. So here we have the ln x. So for the ln x, x must be greater than 0 because this case is a ln. So the domain for the g inverse would be 0 until positive infinity. Next is to find the range for g inverse. So as we all know, the domain for g inverse actually is equals to range for g. And the range for g inverse actually is equals to domain for g. So here, the range for g inverse is equals to 0 until positive infinity. So that is the situation for C. So here we are, and thanks for watching.